Is a keyboard broken? Here is how to turn on that on-screen keyboard on your Windows 11. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is press and hold Windows key and Control and O. But yeah, I understand this is doing from a keyboard, but we will do this without using keyboard as well. Follow this. Let me close this first. Right click on your start button, then go to settings, and then from here you need to go to accessibility. This is the accessibility here, and from here you will need to find keyboard. It should be just below here. You can see that keyboard here, and you just need to toggle this on and you will get the on-screen keyboard. And it's that simple, guys. And if you guys wanted to use the touch screen mode, I mean, this is only for like a laptop who have like touch sensors on their screen. Basically, it's like using your mobile phone and you get those keyboard perks, you know. Yeah, to do that you will need to go to time and language first from the settings, and you will need to go to typing, and touch keyboard is right there. Just expand this and make sure to set this show the touch keyboard. This is set to never for me. When no keyboard is attached, you can just do that, or especially if you wanted to use this like permanently, go ahead on check this out. Now when you guys have set this to when no keyboard attached or always, you should be able to type your keyboard using your touch screen as well. But you can see that you can use your mouse only. I can navigate like this and I can type here, like let's bring up the notepad. There we go. Okay, let me type here hello. Healthy. No, healthy, it's hello. This is how you guys can type using your on-screen keyboard. If this saved you time, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy guides. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in next one. Peace.